I am so pleased to be here to celebrate reinstatement of the local bridge program. We have about 19,000 bridges on Kansas local road system, and about 20%, or about 3,800 of those, are structurally deficient and unable to meet today's weight and vehicle requirements. Those are exactly the kinds of bridges that qualify for funding under the reinstated Kansas Local Bridge Improvement Program. KDOT is putting a renewed emphasis on helping local communities replace or upgrade bridges that are structurally deficient or in poor condition so they can meet today's weight and vehicle requirements. When our bridges were built, few could have imagined modern emergency vehicles that are commonplace today that have to travel over city and county bridges. Even more common are large agricultural implements, including large grain carts, for which our local roads and bridges weren't built to accommodate. Many of the existing bridges on the local system today were built 75 to 100 years ago, and they were built appropriately to accommodate loads at that time, but they don't accommodate the needs that we have today.
Our county road and bridge departments are often one of the largest budget items due to staff and equipment needed to build and maintain roads and bridges. This partnership with KDOT is critical for our county's success. It puts the decision-making in local people's hands to decide what makes the most sense for their county.
Counties own and maintain 109,000 miles of road and have about 19,000 bridges. To put this into perspective, Kansas as a whole ranks fourth in the nation on total roadway miles, with 82% of those roads maintained by Kansas counties. A good rural road system is vital to agriculture, the primary industry in our state.
Butler County has 435 bridges, and 90 of those bridges are currently posted for reduced loads. And of those 90, 69 are classified in that structurally deficient or functionally obsolete category.
This program is not only important for local units of government by helping to maintain infrastructure, but it also helps keep Kansas contractors and their employees working in Kansas. Our members and their employees are excited for additional work and investment in our great state.
This $5 million reactivated program aids our cities and county partners by providing up to $150,000 to replace or improve qualifying bridges. Bridges must be rated as deficient, have a daily count of less than 100, and be 20 to 50 feet in length. Cities and counties can be awarded an additional $50,000 by closing a deficient bridge on their system. We require a 10% match, and applications for this program are being accepted through mid-September. With the commitment of the governor and the legislature, this program will stay in place as long as we have the money to fund it. I know it's that important to local communities.